they go. Endorser from the outside. It's Jun again. Mama Don't Preach. Moving up is La Unlaan, Platinum Lance, and Inner Class is the early trailer. Endorser followed by It's June again from the outside. La Unlaan is running by Drell, and racing import is Mama Don't Preach alongside his Inner Class, Platinum Lance. Endorser by Hapalang. It's June again. Racing on the outside. La Unlaan is running by Drell. Mama Don't Preach racing import Pip Inner Class and Platinum Lance alongside. And rounding the far turn, Endorser by Hapalan. La Unlaan. It's June again. Mama Don't Preach running import, rushing up his Inner Class and Platinum Lance as they race the last 500. Endorser by Lincoln up. It's June again. Racing on the outside. La Unlaan, Mama Don't Preach, and Inner Class as they race the last 200. Endorser by Alenkena, followed by It's June again in second, and by the release La Unlaan. Last 100, Endorser, this time by about 2 lengths, followed by La Unlaan. Entering the finish line, Jesse Basilio Guse on Endorser. La Unlaan, Inner Class, It's June again. Mama Don't Preach, Platinum Lance.
Okay, 4